Carbon peaking and carbon neutrality is a national strategic development policy. Vanward Group actively responds to the national policy and built a solar power station of over 6,000 kilowatts on the roof of the factory building to reach zero emission and zero pollution. Besides, solar power saves us a lot of electricity costs, realizing the dual benefits of greenness and economy. The reasons that we chose Namkoo to build our solar power station are that Namkoo is a leading solar brand in South China and has achieved green energy transformation for many manufacturing enterprises. We are fully confident of Namkoo's products with safety and trustworthy. In the future, Wanward Group will continue to accelerate the green and low-carbon upgrade of the industry, establish intelligent green factories, and create a benchmark for green energy use in the industry.
Warm congratulations to Wanward Group for the 6.5 megawatt solar project.